In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. A survey was conducted about the people who lost their position in the business due to one reason or the other reason. The people who were devastated in their personal life, these people too were also included in the survey. The survey was conducted to derive certain precious principles about how a person can face the crisis, how a person can emerge victorious out of the crisis, out of the crisis number one, out of the crisis number two. The crisis did come, the crisis did go away, but these people stood tall, and these people ultimately got themselves rehabilitated, ultimately emerged victorious. Now listen to the quality. Now listen to the reason which brought them back to the normal life, which make them a hero again, a successful person again. These people were the people of courage. These people were the people of courage, and it's not like they people were not having the intelligence, and they did not rely upon their intelligence. Being intelligent is important, being clever is important, but nothing is more important than the willpower, than the courage, than the firm commitment with oneself. Rather, I shall say a kind of total commitment with oneself, that I shall inshallah achieve whatever I wanted to. I shall emerge victorious, and I shall be able to regain my position. Rather, I shall be able to move forward. I shall be able to achieve even more than just being on the same position. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, these people were courageous enough. These people, the people were the people of very strong will. Their willpower was stronger than the willpower of many people, or maybe they were in the top group, excuse me, or they were in the top group of people who had enjoyed a greater willpower, a greater courage. Now, as far this greater willpower is concerned, as far this courage is concerned, it might be a quality which a person inherits and about which a person was trained. But let me tell you that if at all we want to achieve it, if at all we want to groom ourselves or our loved ones on that standard, I believe it is possible. It can be cultivated. It can be acquired. It's not like we cannot acquire it, we cannot cultivate it, we cannot polish it. As a matter of fact, everything else is possible, and nothing is impossible. The only reason is that we should be clear headed. We should be having a clear thoughts about where we want to go, how we want to go. These people were the people of the courage. They did utilize their brain as well, their mind as well, but still, what was on the steering seat was their courage, was their bravery. It is as simple as this one. If at all we want to become a person, who have the knack of fighting the crisis of one type or the crisis of other type. The person, if the person want to become, if the person want to emerge victorious out of the crisis, out of this crisis and out of that crisis, then it is the willpower and nothing else. It is the willpower and nothing else. Miss no opportunity. What I shall advise you is that miss no opportunity to develop your willpower, to develop your courage, to develop your commitment. A level of the commitment. What is the level of your commitment will determine whether how soon will you be able to overcome the crisis in your life, the crisis in your personal life, and the crisis in your business life. No rocket science at all. No rocket science at all. Not very much complicated. The people who have done it, the people who have emerged victorious out of the one crisis or the other crisis, these people were not genius. These people were not extraordinarily intelligent. These people were not extraordinarily educated. But what they were carrying is that they were having the willpower, a willpower more than that of a PhD degree holder, more than that of anything and anyone else. It is always, it is always the willpower, it is always the courage which will bail you out. It is the courage only. It is the willpower only. It is the firmer commitment only. Which will bail you out of every crisis, which will bail you out of any crisis. So don't be afraid of the crisis. I'm not asking you, I'm not suggesting you to willingly and to advertently put yourself in one sort of crisis or the other sort of crisis. Rather, what I'm suggesting is that be confident. If at all you have lost something, so there is no need to moan and groan. There is no benefit of moaning and groaning. There is no benefit of repentance and regret. But what is needed here, what is beneficial here, what is useful here is the thing that be courageous, develop your courage, develop your willpower, develop your firm commitment, develop your total commitment to re-achieve, to achieve again the lost glory, to re-achieve again the lost position. This is so. It is not very complicated. It is simple enough. But simply we need to understand it. That is how we will be able to overcome all sort of crisis, one type of crisis or the other type of crisis. It is as simple as this one. Jazakallah.